Several groups and initiatives have come together to preserve the natural and cultural resources of the watershed, all while addressing the needs of the local communities, including Ciudad Soil and Water Conservation District's Watershed Restoration Action Strategy for the Upper Tijeras Creek Watershed, the New Mexico Environment Department Surface Water Quality Bureau's Cedro Creek Wetlands Action Plan for this major tributary of Tijeras Creek, the City of Albuquerque's Tijeras Arroyo Biological Zone Management Plan for city-owned open spaces and adjacent properties, Bernalillo County Parks, Recreation, and Open Space Master Plan that includes a trail network accessible along the watershed. Jim Brooks of Adaptive Terrain Solutions, outstanding restoration work at the Tijeras Creek Remediation Project, managing damaging storm runoff from urban infrastructure. The Tijeras Creek Watershed Collaborative, a group of local, state, and federal stakeholders focused on preserving and improving the Tijeras Creek watershed ecological and cultural landscapes. Multiple collaborative forest restoration program projects managed by the USDA Forest Service. This combination of on-the-ground activities, public education, and public awareness programs will be vital to protecting the Tijeras Creek watershed and the Middle Rio Grande.